We've got a boatload of stuff.
Where'd you find that bag? Savings Bank, Kodak film, bucket. How about here?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That was a great sale. It's freaking nice out, dude. You know it?
I'm still not taking my sweatshirt off. Brand new baby gates. Literally just. Hey, look at this.
Really dirty though.
An antique.
What is this? Franklin computer. Never seen one of them before.
No, you've never seen one of these before.
What is that?
Calculator.
Is it?
What else would it be? It has adding and subtracting, multiplying, dividing, percentages.
That's before Google. Whoa, there's a ton of stuff on this sale there.
Okay.
What?
This is like.
Yeah, you press the letter that you want.
And it opens.
And
up
it opens. Right, exactly. What is this? Look at this whole thing.
Who cares about that when you can have these?
There's a ton of stuff here, dude. And so do I. All these vintage, like, you do know they're vintage. Ooh, Ted Williams. Pro though. What else we got? Anything in here? What are these? 8 tracks. Yeah. Hi. Look at this old thing. Jeez. Yeah, hold that. Okay, we can get it.
So then when you go to cookout, you put your beers in there and you got your beer opener.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome, actually.
I got one for my dad, but it wasn't wooden like this.
Yeah.
It's a picture frame. I don't know if it's brand new or...
I don't know, let's open her up. You wanna put some stuff in an IKEA bag?
There you go. It's right behind you, so careful if you step out.
Over there? Yeah.
I think he is.
This picture frame's brand new.
This is from 1973.
It's an old Bible King James version for the bride.
Oh, look at this little. His and her saving. Oh,
Piggy bank.
It's a dang. It's a trick bank. His slot goes into hers.
Get it. That's funny. Film.
I don't know what year this is from.
I don't know, but it's pretty funny, so we should get it. Actually, what's in this box here? Is this another one of those cameras? Yep.
What is that?
Pleaser instant camera. Not sure if they're worth anything, but I'll probably get it because it's brand new. I don't have my phone on me.
Yeah, this thing is.
Meat.
Oh, it's a meat slicer.
Meat slicer.
Oh yeah, I'm sure there's some wives right now that would love to use that after being in quarantine with her husband.
You want to get that?
A meat slicer?
It's new. Oh, I thought I had this camera already. You want to put some stuff in an IKEA bag?
What did you say?
I thought I had that camera already.
What camera?
Never mind. What's that?
I don't know, but even through my mask I can smell it smells old.
Yeah. Go gin.
The word game?
I think we should get that slicer because it's new.
We have to make sure it's brand new, it's not just repackaged,
Oh,
I guess.
I think it is. Yeah, this thing's new.
I think that these things, oh babe, careful, you're gonna freak out.
It's a spider.
Yeah, it's a daddy long leg. You don't want to hurt you though. I think these like fake book things are cool. I have no use for them, I just think they're cool.
We've got a boatload of stuff.
Mm-mm.
My parents had the same clock.
Oh, you have the same clock?
My parents had it when I was growing up. They had the same
really?
exact clock they got at their wedding. Yeah.
Oh, at a wedding?
Yeah, it
Are you
says
two married?
we are, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can take that with you home, young man. That way there, you can have one at your house too.
Okay.
No way.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, they had the same, literally the same clock.
There you go.
Look at that.
Have that.
Thank you. I do have a bag of stuff here.
Oh, where'd you find that bag? Did you bring the bag?
Brought it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I carry it in my backpack.
I didn't see that bag. You know, didn't see the bag at all.
I bring those to garage sales. That
Yeah.
so if I find a bunch of stuff.
Oh, that meat cutter, yeah. Savings Bank, Kodak film, bucket.
Where'd you get all this stuff?
My parents, my mother passed away a few years ago. My dad passed away 2 years ago, and we haven't really done anything in the cellar and,
Yep.
and the storage room. And then my uncle passed away a few years ago. My aunt went to nursing home, and so
Wow.
now it's just the past few years have been just cleaning things out, you know.
Just
and
all their stuff.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I didn't want to throw it out. You know?
Right. Oh yeah. No.
You know,
Definitely
between
not.
My sister and I.
Yep.
You know, how about $20?
You got it. Deal.
I mean,
Can't argue with that.
a meat slicer, you know, cool little this Coke
Yeah.
thing, you know.
Yes.
I mean, that's the only really thing that.
That's my find.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that's his then.
Yeah. Mom will probably.
There you go.
Yeah,
Thank you,
got-
sir.
oh, you're
Appreciate it.
You just wash it up, but you know.
Oh,
other than
yeah.
that.
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
Thank you so
All right.
much.
Have a
Thank
wonderful
you very
day.
much.
Appreciate it.
You too.
Stay safe.
Oh, you as well.
Thank you.
How much for that pink car?
I think that was Elvis's.
Oh, was it?
You know, so many people have looked at that thing. The doors open up. It needs a good cleaning.
Yeah.
Here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Jeez. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I mean,
That was really cool.
a lot of people look at it, you know, and nobody even. Let me get that for you, young lady. Where you going?
I'm okay.
You on it?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
This guy's like the nicest guy ever. Thank you very much. I really appreciate
I'm the
it.
scoutmaster of my town, but if you're one of my scouts, look out because I beat you kids up.
Oh, this is good.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
You too.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
It reminded me of Joe that we met last year.
Yeah.
Very much so. That was a great sale. So a little side note on this DVD. Didn't know at the time when I picked this up that it had value. This is definitely a bolo. Keep an eye out for it. It's worth a good deal of money for a DVD. We sold a similar Swamp Thing in the past that sold for some decent money, not quite this much. So I figured that this probably had a little bit of value. Definitely glad I picked it up. So this camera I was hoping was going to be worth a little bit more money. Unfortunately, it's really not that valuable. I'd never seen this particular Kodak before, so I decided to pick it up. That's how you learn. I probably would have looked it up if I had my phone with me at this sale, but I didn't. So where everything was so cheap anyway, I just decided to buy it. But yeah, I probably wouldn't buy this camera again if I saw it out there.
We should get that slicer.
So it's a little bit hard to see from this screen grab, but Pam's holding a his and her piggy bank, and I thought this piggy bank was really cool because it's a competition to see who can raise more money, the husband or wife, or boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever it may be. And the bank actually has a trap door that directs all the money from the his side of the piggy bank to the hers side. So I thought it was pretty cool. No matter how much the guy puts in the bank, he's never gonna get any coins in his side of the bank. So anyway, I thought that was cool. Not worth a whole lot of money, but a cool little novelty item that I picked up because I thought it was interesting. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Really appreciate all of you watching, as always. And until next time, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Keep dreaming, you crazy dreamers.